Alright guys, so on my screen, we've already found a product that we can market with. Emotion in my case, it is the Eyebrow Fork Tip Pen. We've already come up with a good domain name, drybrows.com, and so that's what you guys should do. As well as come up with a good domain name, good store name, and make it. We already found 5 websites with good product descriptions and made our product description. We've already created 3 different ad copy variations. Test doing the hook benefit offer and call to action. I found multiple videos of the product online for my product, and I used those videos to create my own video, between 25 and 40 seconds long. I already chilled out and created 5 to 10 lines of ad copy, which I showed you guys, and I also just finished the video by placing the text on the visual content, and so now all we have to do is this right here, is we need to tweak our website to get ready to market. So we've already done the domain, now we need to do the logo, color scheme shipping, and basically set up all the pages and set everything up. And so that's what I'm gonna do in this video, is tweak the store, set everything up, and show you guys the exact process to do it all. Here we are on the store. This is the debut theme. This is the theme that was automatically loaded. And this is a free theme. This was the theme that I use. This is the theme that I used on the case study. As well as you can see, we've done nothing here. There's nothing down here on the links on the footer. There's nothing up here on the header as well. And so I'm gonna walk you guys through designing it and everything like that. Another thing is, we need to set up the menus in the first place. And so to do that, we also need to set up the pages, which I've already done, and so I'll show you guys that. So if you go over here to Online Store and Pages, you can actually add a page and create pages, and I've just created these 3 pages, Contact Us FAQ and Shipping Info, and I will show you guys what they say in a minute. And so, one thing we'll need right here is a background image. And so I just went ahead and searched eyebrows online, and I think this will be a good background image, so I went ahead and right-click and save this to my computer, and I'm gonna make that the background image in a minute. And the next thing we need is a logo, which what I did is, I literally just searched up an eyebrow on Google, and I found a picture of an eyebrow. And I brought it over here to Candle, which there's a video in this program to show you guys how to create your own logos and things like that. But literally, all I did is I imported this eyebrow picture right here. And then in text, I just typed this out, drybrows.com, and I think that looks sleek and clean. And so we're going to import that to the store. And that's that, all right? So on the website here, I'm actually just going to do mobile. Just because that's how I always optimize it, is I always optimize it for mobile. And so first thing is I'm going to work top down. So let's change the logo right here. So let's go to the header right here. And then select logo image, and then I'm gonna go to upload an image, and I'm gonna upload the image from Canva. This one right here that I just made a minute ago, and so we'll do that all right. There's that. And so now I'm gonna change the width, of course. You don't want it to be like massive like that. And you also don't want it to be super small. So I'm just gonna make it a good size there. Really is no specific size that you wanna make it. I think that's good right there. Cause it's sleek and clean. And honestly, I really like that drybrows. Drybrows that looks good. I like that. Okay, let's go to the next thing. So another thing you want to do is if we drop this down, it says Home Shop, Contact Us, and Shipping Info. And how we did that is back here in our pages. The main menu says Home Shop, Contact Us, and Shipping Info, which if you click on over here on Online Store Navigation, you can change this up by clicking on one of these. And so main menu, if we click here, we can add a page or anything like that, but we've already done that. And so all we have to do here is remove that. But I mean, that's exactly what we wanted. So all we have to do is select the menu here, and then main menu, and then select that. And then now whenever we drop this down, it'll show us exactly that. Nothing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check show announcement, and then up here, what I always put free shipping when you shop. Oh, shop now, perfect free shipping when you shop now. And then of course the bar, I'm just gonna make that black. Just cause it looks really sleek, considering the logo is not all the way black. It's kind of like a darkish gray. I'm gonna make this that as well so it matches it, okay? So that's that. On the head of the drop-down menu is exactly what we want. So I'm gonna go back, and then here on the featured collection, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that. An image with text, I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. The slideshow, I'm gonna delete that. And so all we've got here right now is an image with text. And so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna edit that one. I'm gonna delete all the text here. We don't want any text there and delete the text there. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna select the image that I uploaded, or downloaded from over here on Google, and then upload that. Okay, perfect. I just uploaded that. And I think that actually looks really, really good. That's cute and also shows the eyebrows there. So I think that fits really well. So free shipping when you shop today, drybrows. And there's eyebrows here, and it's drybrows.com. Of course, we got the Home Shop, Contact Us, and Shipping Info. So now I'm going to add the product right below here. So I'm going to click Add Section right here, and then do Featured Product right here. And then, of course, it's a one-product store. So I'm just going to select the product and do the microblading pin here. And so now, right after, the eyebrows would get the microblading pin. So if someone comes to the homepage, they can just buy it right from the homepage if they want to. And then so way down here, I'm going to edit a few things. So right here, I'm going to add another section, and I'm going to do the newsletter and then add that really quickly. Then I'm just going to type something up here, okay? So I just entered something very simple, dry brow deals. Enter your email address to get dry brow deals every month, and then of course they could subscribe. I'm going to change these colors. and things like that in a minute. And of course, there's already a newsletter section right down here in the footer. So I'm going to click the footer over here. And then in the newsletter section, I'm going to remove that. Also right here about talk about your business. I don't want that, so I'm just going to remove that there. Then of course, we got the quick links, which are the FAQ, the search. Contact us shipping infill privacy policy. Refund policy in terms of service okay. So this is our homepage free shipping. When you shop now with our dry browse logo, up here we've got the home shop. Contact us in shipping info. We've got a good header image here. And we've got the one product. And like I said, I'm going to change these colors. And everything like that in a minute. And if we scroll down here, we've got the dry brow deals. And then customer care links. And so that's all we're going to have for the home page. So let's go over here to shop and on the shop now link. I just take it straight to the product page. Now I'm going to click product pages right here. And one thing I want to do is I want to remove all of these. So show variant labels, no. Enable image zoom, no. Show dynamic checkout button. No show social sharing buttons, no, okay? So now it looks a lot more clean. Now I want to change these colors up a little bit. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to theme settings and then go to colors. It's over the sale price. I'm just going to make this like a maroon type of red. I think we're going to make this store color like a maroon type of red so that the sale price and the add to cart button are the same price. And so like I always say, you want your website to be 3 colors black, white, and 1 accent color. And so I'm going to make my accent color like some sort of red. Okay, so I decided this red color right here. It's kind of a pastel matte type of red, and the price is the same color, red as the added cart button. And so just top down, this is the product page. So we've got the gray that matches the logo on our bar right here. This is free shipping when you shop now. Got a professional logo here. We've got the Luke's reviews right here. We've got a good sale price showing the before price. We've got a good add the cart button. And then of course, we've got our really good product description. Here and at the bottom, we've got our guarantee, which looks super sleek and clean. And then down here, you can see the reviews through Luke's that have pictures and really good text reviews that we made. So everything here is really, really good. And it's optimized in my opinion. I don't use any trust badges or anything like that anymore. I don't think it's trustworthy. I think it's kind of a thing. I think it's definitely a thing of the past. And if you guys look at the case study store, you'll see that I didn't use any trust badges there. And it worked very, very well. Okay, so the dry browse there, that's text. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to make that the logo as well. Upload this logo right here. Wait for it to load up. Okay, so I just uploaded that. So I'm actually going to center the logo just so it looks a lot more professional there. Okay, so I just imported the logo and on setting, it looks really sleek and clean. I'm just going to leave that. And then down here on the buttons, I'm going to make sure these buttons are exactly the same color as everything else that we had on the store. So that red color, I like that a lot. All right, so this is the checkout page. Now we've got our logo at the top. And then we've got a continued shipping method thing here that matches the colors on the rest of the website. And like I said, our color scheme for this one is black, white, and an accent color of maroonish pastel red. Whatever, and so I'm gonna click on the logo here and take it to the home page. And so this is the home page. This is everything we've got, and honestly, it's this simple. This is exactly how you want to keep your websites. And this is honestly enough to make 6 figures plus. As you guys saw by the case study, I took it to 120K in 6 days, and the store was just as basic. Okay, that's that, guys. Honestly, it's just as simple as that. When it comes to designing and creating your store, you honestly don't need something super extravagant to make sales. And you guys, if you haven't seen the case study, just wait until you see it. You guys will really see that. You don't need something bougie to make a lot of money. All it comes down to is having a good product, marketing it the right way, and putting it in front of the right people. And it's as simple as that, guys, in the A to Z outline. We've already done most everything we need to do. We found a good product, we've made a good product video, good product description, multiple different ad copies. We've set up the store, we've made it look very professional and clean, and people actually buy from a store like this. So next, all we have to do is create the Facebook page and start running ads, so that's all for this one. Thank you for watching, I will see you in the next one.